chapter 12, area related to circles. So in your first exercise, we just have to remember these two formula, right? Perimeter of a circle and area of a circle. Perimeter means what? The boundary, right? That means, let's you start from here and then you walk through the length. That will give us a perimeter or the boundary of the circle. What is our formula? 2 times pi r. And then of course area of a circle, that means this area, right? What is the formula? Pi r square. Clear? Let's jump to question 1. The radii of two circles are 19 and 9 centimeter. You can already see two circles, right? Let's say this is one and then this is the other circle. Find the radius of the circle. That means there's a third circle, okay, which has circumference. So remember, okay, circumference, boundary, perimeter, it all means the same thing, okay, which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. So this the first and the second circle, right? So when I add the circumference of these two, it should give me the circumference is equal to the circumference of the third. All right, what do we have to find? The radius. So you can see here, radius of the first circle r119, radius of the second circle. And then because remember, there's going to find the radius, right? So this is, I took it to be capital R, right? Let the radius of the third circle be r. So as per the question, what did the question say? Circumference of the third circle equals to circumference of the first circle plus circumference of the second circle. Alright, so now you know the formula of circumference of a circle, 2 times pi r, right? So you can see I've written 2 times pi capital R, 2 times pi r1 plus 2 times pi r2. So you can see from here, when you look at the left and right, 2 pi and 2 pi are common, which means I can divide them, right? I'll be left with r equals r1 plus r2, but r1 is how much? 19, and then r2 is 9. So just simply add these two, and then we're going to get the radius of this to be 28 centimeter. Clear? Alright, question number 2. The radii of two circles are 8 and 6. Once again, alright, this is my circle 1 and this is my other circle. So one, the radius is 8, the other is 6. Find the radius. So once again, we have to find the radius of another circle having, last time it was the last question was circumference, right, or the perimeter or the boundary, but now radius of a circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. That means when I add the area of this circle and circle 2, I'll get the area of the bigger or the third circle, okay. And then from here we're supposed to find r. So radius of the first circle, radius of the second circle, and then once again we're taking it to be capital R, right, of the third circle to be. So what did the question say? Area of the third circle equals area of first circle plus area of second circle, and the area of circle formula is pi r square, right? So once again I've written the formula. Then I can cut this pi because you can see they are all common, right? Pi, and I'll be left with r square equals my first r1 is how much? R1 is 8, right? And then r2 is 6, but they're in squares, so 8 square plus 6 square. Now this r square will go and I'm going to get here root over, right? 8 is a 64, 6 6 is 36. Then when you add this, I'm going to get 100, or I'm going to get the radius of the third circle to be equal to 10 centimeter.